Welcome to Design Corner. Today we see about part design and generative shape design in CATIA V5 model. How to design this part in CATIA. Come on, let it see that. This is for drawing. Front view, top view and isometric view. Okay. All dimensions are mm. Come on. First open mechanical design and click part design. Give the name. Okay. First you click on XY plane and click sketch. After that, first you select the slot. Okay. Encoder hole in CATIA. Okay. First of all, you see the drawing. This is for the 105 dia. Okay, give the dimension, and also small hole is there in center. In this hole dia 35 mm. Double click the dimension and give the dimension for hole 35. After that, click on the circle, double click, give the diameter and dimension for 105. Okay. And this dimension for center hole 2 in this part 65 mm. So you draw one line. Okay, and give the dimension for in this center to in this line for 65 mm. Okay. After that, you click both lines and center line. Also give the symmetry. Okay, and also click on parallel. Okay, it's constrained. After that, you trim that other sections. Click on trim. Then you click on exit workbench and click pad. Okay. What is the thickness of the part? 25 mm. So you give the of 12.5. Sorry, 12.5 and mirrored extension. Okay. Preview. Okay. Completed. After that, you select XY plane and click on sketch. Okay. After that, again you will be draw a same design of the XY plane. Okay. in a center. Okay, after that double click the dimension, and this is for the diameter 105, and this is for diameter 35, and in this center to in this line 65. Okay, and also one more thing we didn't give that. What center line to in this center hole to in this center hole for 510 mm. So click this center to this center 510. It's okay. Then you click both lines are parallel, and also give the symmetric. After that, again exit workbench, give the pad and 12.5 mirror, extend, preview, OK. After that, you click this face and exit sketch, give the projected 3D element. After that, you click the face and go to the sketch, and again click on the face and click 3D projected element. After that, exit workbench. Again you will be do the other face. Click on this face, exit sketch, go to the sketch and projected 3D element give and click the face. It's completed. Exit workbench. After that, click on start button and go to the save, then click on generative shape design. We have an here more tools are side. Now you click on spline, click this corner, click on this spline dialog box is open, and click this point and also click in this point. Now you click on sketch 4 and click this face line. After that, click on this sketch 5 and click on in this face line. Okay, now in this direction of the point is move on again direction. So you click this sketch 5 and click on reverse target. Now it's changed. Again click this point. This is for the direction of inner. Okay, now you see that the point of inner point and direction is in this side to in this point. Okay, after that preview. Okay, again you click this plane and click against of the part corner. Okay, point 1 and point 2. Point 2. Now you click this same sketch and click the paste line and click sketch 5 and click on this direction. So okay, completed. Now we have one splines have preview. Okay, after that you click on multi-sectional surface, then you click first profile sketch 4 and sketch 5. After that click on the guide curve for spline 9 and spline 10. Give the preview. It's not complete. You see that the closing points. Okay, you see that the closing points. If is one inner side and another also inner side, so change the closing point. Sketch 5, click the sketch 5 and right click, replace the closing point. Okay, now you give the click preview. We see that the twisted part. Okay, that's all. Now it's complete. You see that the part. Okay, then you go to the part design. Okay, then you click close surface. Now use selection for multi-sectional surface. Click OK. Completed. Now you hide the multi-section surface and spline and sketch. Your part is completed.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment box. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you for watching.